Hey guys, this is Amin. So I wanted to make a quick tutorial of how to draw or sketch a Lamborghini. So I already drew the Lamborghini a couple times using the same technique that I'm about to show you guys. So there's not really a name to the technique, but if we were to give it a name, I would maybe call it the two oval technique. So I use this technique when I'm drawing or sketching cars, and it's a useful technique to use just to get a feel for how you would draw a car. So let's begin. So the first thing that I like to do, of course, is I like to draw two ovals. So they're going to be very long and wide ovals. So just like this. So this is one oval. So I'm going to draw it a bit dark, right? So usually when I'm sketching, I don't actually draw it this dark, but we're going to draw it darker just for the purpose of showing you guys what I mean. And here's the next oval. So they're about the same. So the same width and the same width as in from here to here, right? And then they're about the same height as well. So from here to here and here to here, same height. Okay. Now using this usually I like to begin with the back wheels. So the back wheels are going to begin at the very corner of the oval. So like here. And I tend to make it very skinny because of the perspective here when you're trying to draw. The tire itself is going to be very skinny. Alright? And then the front wheel, I like to make it towards the middle, but just a little bit before the middle. See, so if this is about the middle of the drawing, then the front tire is going to be towards, just a little off of that. Okay? So, and this tends to be a bit bigger than the back wheel. Alright, I can give it a bit of some rims or some spokes, just for the sake of, I think it's a tire. And now we can connect the two. So see this bottom line? I'm going to connect the two wheels using that bottom line. Okay. Now in order to draw the front part of the car, the front part of the Lamborghini, so usually I actually like to start from this side, going from right to left. So I'm going to start like this. So it's the top part of the car is going to go above the white line. It's going to follow it, but it's going to go above. If that makes sense. Okay, and it's going to be very wide, coming towards very close to the front. Okay. Now we're going to draw the side mirrors. So the side mirror is going to be very big actually because of the perspective of the car. Okay, and we can go ahead and draw a little bit of a detail for the side inlets of the Lamborghini. Just make it black right here. Okay. Now I can draw, so see where it meets the oval again. See this oval? So we're going to cut across. So we're going to cut across. Okay. And then, so now we're going to draw the side window. So the side window is going to have a unique curve. It's going to come across like this. So like just like that. Then the front window, or the windshields can come across like that. Okay. All right. Now that we have the rest of the car done, we're gonna go ahead and draw the front part of the car now. So the bottom part of the car, I guess the lip of the Lamborghini is gonna go across. It's gonna follow this bottom line here, using the bottom eclipse. See that? Okay. Now we're gonna draw those inlets, the huge inlets that the Lamborghini has. Come across. Okay. Now it's gonna open up to the side just like that. Open up to the side. Okay. Okay, I could just go ahead and draw. So originally this is the bottom part. This is the bottom part of the top oval. So we're going to draw the lights right below that. And then the Lamborghini has very unique trapezoidal lights. So this is the Lamborghini. So we're trying to draw the Lamborghini SVJ, the new one. Give that nice LED headlights right there. Okay. Now we can go ahead and finish up this bottom inlet right here. So the Lamborghini has these two parts that go up just like that, and the other side just like that. Okay. So some of these are unnecessary details, but just for the sake of making it look more realistic. Okay. All right. Okay, and then the new SVJ has this new, I'm not sure what you're gonna call it, I guess aerodynamic piece, or it's like a little wing right here in the front. Okay, alright, now we're using this front, right? So it has these new, I don't know what you call these things, inlets, I guess. So they're aerodynamic pieces. So see how I drew this piece right here? So we're gonna just go up across, and then this is probably going to be where the Lamborghini logo is, just like that. Okay, and then the new inlet. You can go ahead and draw the lights now, the other side. Okay. Okay, and then you can finish out the bottom part. Okay. So that's pretty much a basic outline of the Lamborghini. It's not perfect, so the point of this is not for it to be perfect. So as you keep doing this over time, you start to get a feel of how the car should look like. So let's just add some details now. So this is going to be black because you can go ahead and shade this in, because this is going to be where it's going to be dark. Even if you look at the picture, it's going to be dark right here too. So it's like that mesh grille. Okay. Let's draw some details here. So some of these are unnecessary details, but it's just fun to add. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to draw the rims a little bit. Shade that piece black. So the spokes are going to leave it white, and the inside part we're going to leave it dark. And the same thing at the back. So we drew spokes already. So anything besides the spoke, we can go ahead and draw it dark. Okay, and then we can go ahead and add a little bit of a bottom part to that wheel, that front part of the wheel, and the front part of the wheel right there too. Alright, the tires. Sorry, my bad. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Hope you guys are able to benefit from this tutorial. Hope you like the way that the car looks. Yeah, so again, the technique that I like to use is called the 2 oval technique. So we just start out with 2 ovals, and then, you know, using these 2 ovals, then you can draw the rest of the car just like that, just like so. Alright, so this is a technique I like to use when I'm sketching cars, or I don't really want to, you know, go through the detail and the time to, you know, make sure that the car looks amazingly perfect. But this is a good technique that if you continue to do it over time, then you start to get a better feel of, you know, how perspective will change the way that a car will look, and it'll help you in drawing cars that look better more consistently. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks.